A very good morning, dear children. Let's start our today's class. So our today's topic is 4-digit numbers. In today's class, children, you will come across the words altogether, more than. Now these types of words you will get more in application based questions. So altogether means bringing all the things together. That means suppose you have 3 toy cars, 2 teddy bear. So total how many toys do you have? So bring all together. How many toys do you have all together? What you are going to do? Plus. When the word all together is there, children, we do plus. Okay? That means you have total 5 toys. Clear? Next word is, children, more than. Let's see an example. Arjun ate 2 apples, whereas Sneha was very hungry, children. So she ate 3 more apples than Arjun. She was very hungry, so what she did? She ate more 3 apples. So can you say that Sneha ate how many apples total? Yes, that means Sneha ate 3 more than Arjun. So Arjun ate how many? 2. Okay. But as Sneha was very hungry, children, so she ate 3 more apples. So 3 more apples. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So can you say now Sneha ate total how many apples? She ate 5 apples. Okay. What I want to say, children, when the word more than is there, more than Arjun, that means you are comparing with Arjun. That means if Arjun ate 2 apples, then Sneha ate 3 more. 3 more. She ate 3 more. So Sneha ate total 5 apples. Okay. So what I want to say, when the word more than is there, children, we do addition. Okay, we do addition. Is it clear to everyone? So children, today what we are going to do is we are going to do application based questions. So there you will get these words all together, in all, more than. So try to understand what we have to do there. Okay, so everyone take out your maths copy, write there the topic application based questions. So let's start the class. So children, everyone take out page number 34 of your textbook. Let's do application based questions. So as I told you, children, all together, in all, more than, these types of words you will get in these application based questions. So let's start with our first question, number 4. There are large number of trees in a mango orchard. Mangoes were plucked from 2312 trees on the first day. So children, orchard means many mango trees were there. Okay. So on the first day, mangoes were plucked from how many trees? From 2312 trees. And from 3619 trees on the second day. And on the second day, children, from how many trees mangoes were plucked? From 3619 trees. What are they asking? From how many trees were the mangoes plucked in these 2 days? So in these 2 days, children, from how many trees mangoes were plucked? So we have to find the total number of trees from where the mangoes were plucked in these 2 days. Right? So what we are going to do? We are going to add the trees of first day as well as the trees of second days. Okay, second day. So let's start. Take out your maths copy. See how to write application based questions. Solution to question number 4. First line will be number of trees from where the mangoes plucked on the first day. So how many trees were there? 2312. On the second day, children, from how many trees mangoes were plucked? 3619. And the last line they asked, how many trees, so from how many trees children mangoes were plucked in these 2 days? Total number of trees. Therefore, this 3 sign children, 3 dots means therefore. Therefore, total number of trees. So, we are going to add trees of first day with the second day. So, you have to show the calculation here, show the addition below and write the answer here. 5,931 trees. Okay. After addition, you are getting 5,931 trees. That means children, in these 2 days, from total 5,931 trees, mangoes were plucked. Okay, last line you can write this way. Hope it is clear to everyone. Okay, let's see our next question. Question number 5. There are 4,356 people in a village. The neighboring village has 2,110 more people than the first village. That means that what we are going to do, children, here? We are going to do addition. We are going to find the number of people in the neighboring village. Okay. How many people are there in the second village? Second village means neighboring village. So you have to find how many people are there in the second village. So how can you find, children? How many extra are there? How many more are there? 2,110 plus 4,336. 4,356 people. Okay, so you will get the answer. Let's check how to do. You see here, first village has 4,356 people, whereas the second village, or you can say the neighboring village, has 2,110 more people than the first village. So what you are going to do? You are going to add the extra, how much more it is, than the first village, that is 2,110 plus 4,356. So you will get 6,466 people. So how many people are there in the second village? 6,466 people. Okay. Hope it is clear to everyone. Let's see our next question, number 6. On the first day of a cricket match, there were 874 spectators. On the second and third days, there were 1,245 and 2,500 spectators. Now, spectators are the people who go to watch cricket. Okay. Respectively, how many people came to watch the match in all? So, the word in all is here. So, what you are going to do? You are going to add all the spectators. Okay. So, you are going to add all the spectators. So, let's see how to do. You have to write in statement, children. First day, 874 spectators. Second day, 1,245. Third day, 2,500. So, last line is asking how many people came to watch the match in all. So, what we are going to do? We are going to add all the people who went in these 3 days. Okay? In these 3 matches. Clear? You will find the answer yourself, children. Let's see the next question. Question number 7. A gas stove cost rupees 3,565. A microwave oven cost rupees 1,323 more than the gas stove. So again this line came. So you know very well what you are going to do. You are going to add 1,323 with the cost of gas stove to find the cost of microwave oven. What is the total cost of the stove as well as the oven? So we are going to add the cost of stove plus oven. Cost of stove plus cost of oven. Okay. So let's see with pictures. So first one is the gas stove, children. Cost is what? 3,565. Second is microwave oven. What is the cost? Rupees 1323 more than the gas stove. More than the gas stove. They just told that it is this much more than the gas stove. They did not tell that the exact amount. So we are going to find what is exactly the cost of microwave oven. So you add here 1323 plus 3565. So you will get what is the cost? Rupees 4888. Okay, now can you say what is the cost of gas stove? Yes, it is rupees 3565 and the cost of microwave oven is 4888. Now children, last line was find the what is the total cost of the stove and the oven? So stove plus oven. Okay, what we are going to do? Total cost is equal to stove plus oven. So we are going to add the cost of stove as well as the oven. So after adding both the cost, children, that is rupees 3565 of stove plus rupees 4888 of oven, we get total cost rupees 8453. Is it clear? Okay, then let's see our next question. Question number 8. A truck driver had to drive from Bengaluru to New Delhi in 2 days. Okay, he had to travel in 2 days. He have to reach there in 2 days. So on the first day, he drove 1089 kilometer. He found that he had to drive another 1068 kilometer on the second day. What is the total distance he had to drive? So children, you are supposed to find here the total distance. Okay, so total is also there. The word total is when it is there. So what we do? Addition. So we are going to add the distance covered on the first day and distance need to cover on the second day. We are going to add both the distance and you will get the answer. Okay, you will get the answer. You just see a truck driver drove from Bangalore to New Delhi in 2 days, children. First day he covered how much distance? 1089 kilometer. And on the second day, children, he had to drive. And on the second day he had to drive more like 1068 kilometer it was left. So total distance he had to drive. So when the word total is there, just children add both the distance covered in both the days. Okay. So that's all for today.